Don't stress out, nigga. Poke my chest out, nigga. Weight on my shoulder, bring the best out, nigga. Get it right or you.
Alright, man, let's go. I think I got everything. Hold on. Oh. What's going down, man? Alright, so look, this is what I'm doing. Oh, shit. Alright. What's going down, Eric? So what I'm doing is the Honk for Positive Vibes challenge. You feel me? I want people to honk for positive vibes. So what I'm about to go do is I'm about to go get a board, and I'm about to go draw on a board that say honk for positive vibes. And whoever honk for positive vibes, bro, they finna have a positive day. You feel me? I wanna see how many people is really gonna honk at my sign. You feel me? Because there's a lot of people that do signs. You know what I'm saying? They got signs for money, signs for all type of shit, signs to ask for shit. You know what I'm saying? Give me a sign to honk for positive vibes. You feel me? Let me see if that shit gonna work. Look at the dog. Y'all look at the dog. There's a dog right there. Man. What's up, man? Dog always barking at a nigga. Always barking at somebody. What you barking at, man? You should be happy you woke up today. You know what I'm saying? You gotta tell the dogs, man. You should be happy you woke up today. So what I'm gonna do, I probably already told y'all, but I'm gonna say it again. So this is the objective. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a board, right? And I'm gonna write on that bitch that say honk for positive vibes, right? And then I'm gonna hold it up for people to see it. And then people honk, they finna have a good day. And you know what I'm saying? If they don't, then shit, it's on them. I think I can make something out of this. What y'all think about this shit? I think I can make something out of this shit. Hold on. What, they got something bigger? No, we don't got nothing bigger. I'm gonna just keep this shit. And what I'm gonna do is okay, yeah. So I got what I needed. You know what I'm saying? I got this box right here. You feel me? This the box. So what I'm gonna do, you know, I know people got bad eyes, so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to kind of write it big on here. I'm going back home right now. That's how we gonna do it. All this gonna go right here. Nope. me show y'all niggas. Honk for positive vibes. This gonna be lit. This is gonna be fucking lit, nigga. I didn't expect this shit to turn out like this. So, man, we finna go outside right now. What's going down, Bree? We finna go outside right now. I'm finna see, nigga. We gonna see. We finna see. Let's see. Oh, look. It's a car. It's driving slow, too. Hey, look, y'all check this. Y'all check this out, right? Let's see if you look. Oh, she ain't. Nope. I don't care. So, where we going next? Matter of fact, we gonna walk down. It was an old lady, so I guess she couldn't read it. You know what I'm saying? But we finna walk down over here, right? And we finna get some motherfucking honks, nigga. Let's do this shit. Feel me? Hold on. Look. Let's see what he do. There you go. Yeah. I got my first honk. Nigga, I got my first honk. They finna have positive vibes the whole day. I guarantee you. Going down. What's going down? What's up?
Where you go?
Nah, look, I'm not going nowhere.
Oh.
Yeah. Go ahead, give me a honk for me, man. Give me a honk. Hey, there you go. You know what I'm saying? That's how we doing this shit, man. Positive vibe shit only, you feel me? Me and him just left the house. You know what I'm saying? We stayed in the same house and I made him honk. You know what I'm saying? We walk. Got somebody passing over there, you know. What's going down? Oh yeah, I'm rocking with it. Niggas playing music and all that, yes. It's cool, y'all ain't got a honk. There you go. Stay positive. Here y'all go, there we go, man. We starting to get some honks. You know what I'm saying? Everybody just gotta stay positive, man. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot. I got this sign in my hand, right? Hold on. Look, I got this sign in my hand that say honk for positive vibes, right? So, oh look, he honked already. For me? You gonna honk for me? Positive vibes, baby. Honk. There you go. You go right there, boy. This cool, you know. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Oh, boy, you scared the fuck out of me. I was finna start booking. On me. I was finna start booking. Not even gonna lie to you. I definitely might do this again tomorrow. Definitely. There's a lot of people not ready for it.
Don't stress out, nigga. Poke my chest out, nigga. Weight on my shoulder, bring the best out, nigga. Get it right or you get left out, nigga.